If you ever wondered if you have what it takes to face some of the most thrilling rides on the planet, then come with us and face your thrill. Madeira Beach, Florida. Today we are going to face the thrill of water swimming. Are you ready to go swimming with us? Then come with us and face your thrill.
While we're heading out to our spot, growing up in Florida, we have met a lot of people who are a little scared to get into the ocean. Most people are more concerned about what's in the water than the water itself. It is true that Florida has a very diverse ecosystem in its waterways. From dolphins to baby crabs, you never have to look far to find life in these clear blue waters. But is it safe? Florida is home to 21 million residents, and last year we hosted 118 million visitors from around the world. So, with 139 million people swimming in our waters, it is safe to say that with the right safety equipment, knowledge of swimming, and adult supervision, it is not only safe, but it is extremely fun. Before we go tubing, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to watch more videos like this. And to the people that already subscribed, thank you. It helps us a lot.
Nervous. I'm excited. Let's see how I did doing that. I'm kind of scared, but it's awesome.
Hey, Colin, come on.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Bye-bye, bro.
how it's fun.
All right, let's go.
That was awesome. I went airborne a couple times. And then I went front flip. The board went back, hit my back, and I tumbled underwater.
Colin, that was full speed, man.
Yeah!
You did it.
So full speed is awesome. If you go slow, you went underwater. So you kind of have to go fast. And it's awesome. So you have to try it. Take your proof. I was in stand. I went with the rotation and played the whale. The underwater sea creatures, we weren't scared of them at all. They don't really want to be around us. They're really more scared of us than we are